this section, we'll be treating how to actually create an isolated network for your testing purposes using your VirtualBox. First of all, let's go to the network section. As you can see, we'll be using the internal network, and we'll be creating a new network name that comprises the configuration in which our DHCP server is going to be using to assign IPs to the devices in the said network. So with that being said, we should go to our local computer, go to program files, we'll be heading to the directory of our installation folder for VirtualBox. There you can be able to use the VBox manage option. To actually list DHCP servers. So these are list of network names that I have created, and these are the IP ranges of each network name. As you can see, the X-Cybertrek here, the X-Cybertrek, the DHV hacking. I just created the DHV hacking node quite long ago, so we're going to create another network name. So our network name, let it be data. So the IP will be equal to mask. Lower IP. You should take note of the IP address ranges. So the lower IP address would be 47, just a unit above the IP. So go for IP. go ahead and enable. So it's gonna be enabled on creation. So let's go and list. So let's list our DHCP server and see if our dead hack has been included. As you can see, our dead hack has been included. So we successfully created a network. So we are going to be putting our Kali Linux and our vulnerable machine into one network. So they'll be sharing one network, so we'll be able to find them. We'll be able to find their IP address quite easily, and network would be isolated for testing purposes. So dead hack. Let's go ahead and launch our Kali Linux. So go ahead to check for the IP ifconfig. Let's can see the IP range. The IP range. The IP range. So we can go ahead and start our vulnerable machine. So let's go ahead to do our net discover. This particular command is used to view list of devices on a particular network. Okay, you can see two machines right here. So go ahead. And you can see it's still within the IP range of our network name. So you can use nmap to actually detect. Okay, just do a basic scan. That's a basic scan. So we'll be able to tell the exact system that carries this particular IP address if it's our buggy app. And as you can see, it's our buggy app. the one with this particular IP. You can also go further to even go into its server proper. So this is our Buggy app. You can also call forth the terminal. You can also write the ifconfig to see its IP address. As you can see, its IP address just as the one on our Kali Linux. As you can see, so that's it for assigning IP addresses to devices on the network and actually creating an isolated network for your hacking activities. So I'll be seeing you in my next course. Thank you.